Hi everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about how to make bird from origami paper. First table, you must prepare origami paper in scissors. So to color paper, you can choose color that you want. Fold into triangle, fold again the other side. The other side open it, and then we go to the front, we fold it into rectangle and do it also in the other side, and then we push slowly and become a diamond shape, and we fold this side to this side, do it the same to the other side. And then we fold this corner to this corner, and then we open again, fold it into triangle. We need scissors to cut this corner to the other corner. It is already cut, it become like this. We open again, fold it into rectangle, and then we push slowly and to the same. We open this paper to this, and then we fold it again. We open this paper to this, and then we fold it again. In the other side, we do the same. We go to the back, and we do this first. And open slowly, and then we fold it into a diamond, and do it the same as the first one and become a kite shape. Do it the same for the other one, and then we open again, and then we tuck this paper, fold it into kite shape. Do the same thing. Now let's do the wings. Fold this side to here, open it, take the paper and put in on the here. Do it the same to the other side, and the wings is ready now for the head. And fold again this corner to this corner, and then push it down and fold it. There you go, you have the female. And then let's eat the feet. Fold it to on the down, open and push it. Do it the same on the other feet. And the bird is done. Ta-da! And that you put the bird into your finger. Thank you.